Guys, we got my man Aaron's 250 on a single axle trailer here, all loaded up. One of y'all check it out before she rolls out. Now, my man Aaron has been with us all week, cooked for the guys multiple days. Really appreciate that. Fed our guys good. They're gonna be spoiled now. But Aaron's rig really slick here. Check out our other video on his back patio setup, but this is offset smoker setup. So we got our 250 single axle trailer, Santa Maria grill, fryer in the front, storage in the back. So let's get into it. Now guys, first off, our trailer packages. As you know, we build all of our trailers in-house and we build them around your setup. So basically we sit down, figure out what all you want on your trailer, and we design the trailer around that. There's not just some standard store-bought trailer. We design it, build it in-house, built very strong. We got a double frame rail, comes all the way down. There's a single 6,000-pound brake axle as well. Sandblasted, powder coated black. All right, so guys, we do powder coating on all of our single axle trailers. Holds up great, looks good, it's not gonna flake off on you. We've got our 6-gallon fryer up front here, propane tank holder here. Let's get to the main part here, the 250 offset smoker. Now he did get stainless steel grates in this unit. Typically you'd have wire mesh in here. He opted for the stainless steel round bar. Really looks slick, it's not gonna rust up on you, very easy to clean. That's probably the biggest plus. Y'all know that wire mesh is a pain in the butt to clean. This makes it easy. It does have a 1.5-inch ball valve grease drain down there as well. We did our stainless steel fender toppers on top of the fender, just a little shelf there for you. Come around to the firebox. All of our tank smokers get a fully insulated firebox. Got your fire poker in there as well. As you can see, this sucker's been used. All right, it's been put to the test this week. Holds heat great. Around back here, we've got one of our stainless steel prep tops. So that folds up. Get all your storage underneath, fold it back down, prep off of it, serve off of it, you're ready to rock and roll. That ain't it, guys, it just keeps going. We've got our 48-inch Santa Maria grill. Got the stainless steel accents to match the pit, double doors up front to tend your fire. Hey, this thing has grilled some killer steaks this week, folks. Let me tell you what. We got a TMG Pits Orca cooler up here, got a strap to hold it down. Finished them off with a spare tire. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom rig built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.